HydroMiner is an Austrian-based mining company using hydropower to mine cryptocurrencies. We conduct mining on a large scale to become the global market leader in sustainable mining. With the rise of blockchain technology, a complex mining infrastructure will evolve. We are specialists in setting up mining operations and have established proven supply chains. HydroMiner is already operating 2 highly profitable mining farms in the Austrian Alps, ready to expand its facilities significantly. We are solving several problems in this field. Most of the mining today is fueled by fossils, producing an excessive CO2 emission. But we believe the future of mining is green. HydroMiner utilizes solely hydropower, which is a reliable, cheap and green energy source, leaving no carbon footprint. Based in Vienna, HydroMiner employs a team of more than 20 dedicated experts from across 5 countries. HydroMiner is growing in value. H3O, the first European security token, is your chance to participate. With a full capital market prospectus according to European law, it is comparable to a traditional share. Regulatory compliance will be paramount in the future. H3O grants the highest level of financial compliance to date. It is unique in its token design, aligning the interests between token holders and management.